Hello friends, hope you are doing great, and this is Yashoda and welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. And friends, today I have come up with a new video, and this is a kind of a video which will help you in order to overcome your fear, your anxiety, and after watching this video make sure you won't be anxious anymore, because in our life we have been facing different kinds of problem in order to achieve our goal. So it's a kind of a topic which I have chosen to speak on in today's video. It's kind of a topic which is really inevitable for all of us to know about the tips and tricks, and if you are going to watch this video till the very end, then you would become free from your anxiety, from your stress, from your burden on your head. So friends, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Friends, the topic which I have chosen to speak on in today's video is about toxic people. Toxic people around ourselves. It doesn't matter in which society you live. Always there, some kind of toxic people are there in our society. Maybe he is your friend, maybe in some cases, maybe he is a relative. And sometimes in our neighborhood, there are some types of toxic people who always feel happy by giving us bad compliment, by criticizing us, by teasing us, and by annoying us. And it doesn't matter how good you are going to behave with them, they always deal you with a single and simple behavior. They won't appreciate your effort. And sometimes just because of having these kind of people in our surrounding, we feel demotivated. Each and every time when we prepare ourselves to take our first step towards doing any kind of thing, then just because of having these kind of negative people, we won't be able to restart our journey. Because each and every time they are always there to demotivate us. They are always there to pull our leg. So how we can deal with these people? So friends, let me tell you how we have to deal with these people. Okay, we have to think a lot about this problem, because in our society there are different types of people. Some people who are really very good, some people they are kind of a positive vibes they are having, some people they are having negative vibes, and some people just because of they have experienced bad thing in their time, so now because of having all those experiences in their life, now they have become this kind of person, and these kind of things really make them happy. And even while doing these kind of things, they feel real happiness, because this kind of behavior gives them real happiness. So it's points of view of ours, how we take each and every situation, how we take each and every person. So first of all, we have patience. If any person tells us about our work that you are not doing good, you are doing bad, so first of all, just think about it. Just ask to yourself, whatever I'm doing, I'm doing good or bad? Whatever I'm doing, it's going to help someone, or is it harmful for any person? If your answer is good, that you are doing good, your efforts are not going to harm any person, you are going to make someone happy, you're going to make your parents happy, you're going to get something from after putting these achievements, and you are getting better day by day, it means whatever you are doing good. Don't try to deal with this kind of person. Don't let these kind of people dominate you. All of us, we have that much competent, and sometimes even they people went out because they want to make us unhappy, means भड़ास निकालते हैं by saying bad things, by saying bad words to us. And even sometimes our parents, they also do, because there are so many parents in our village, okay, they haven't done something good in their life, so some people they always get jealous of others, means उनको जलन होती है, वो नहीं देख सकते किसी को आगे बढ़ते हुए. So it's totally up to you how you are taking these people. Don't give so much attention to these kind of people. And the time when you start dealing these kind of people with this thought, okay, then your journey would become easier for you, and then you would achieve anything, whatever you want to achieve. Because sometimes people in our surrounding, they feel happy, okay, they can show they are really very happy, but from their inside they feel like that, oh my god, how he has achieved this much, why I couldn't, I could have done but I couldn't. Sometimes friends, we always want to please someone. हम हर किसी को खुश रखना चाहते हैं, but it's not possible, it's impossible. It doesn't matter आप कितना अच्छे से उनके साथ बिहेव करते हैं, वो हमेशा आपको ऐसा ही फील कराते हैं कि आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो, आप कम हो, आप सक्षम नहीं हो किसी चीज़ में. तो उन लोगों को खुश करना बंद करो. खुश करना है तो अपने आप को खुश करना सीखो और अपने आप को खुश करने की कोशिश करो. अगर आपके सराउंडिंग में कुछ अच्छे लोग हैं तो वो ज़रूर आपकी मेहनत से, ठीक है, वो ज़रूर खुश होंगे. अगर टॉक्सिक पीपल हैं तो आप कितना भी हार्ड वर्क कर लो, नो वन इज़ गोइंग टू सपोर्ट यू, नो वन इज़ गोइंग टू help you even a little bit. So it's their point of view, so let them think according to their thought. If they have positive vibe, then let them have. If they have negative vibe, let them have. But what you want to grab, what you want to acquire from those people, it's your total decision. It's totally your decision, okay? So if there are positive people in your surroundings, so attract only positive vibes to you. And if they are negative people, so don't let any other person to dominate you, to manipulate your thoughts. Because sometimes these people, they manipulate us, and then we start degrading ourselves, we start feeling embarrassed, and then we start giving up. So it's not a good thing. And now, especially now, this is a time of exams. So it doesn't matter whether you are trying to learn this language or any kind of language, or you are preparing for your exam. So instead of giving your attention only toxic people, give your attention only to your work, only to your journey. Whatever kind of goal you have set for yourself, give your attention to only that goal. And one day you would definitely achieve your goal, whatever you have set to you. And that's it. I wanted to say you. Don't think about negative people. Always there are toxic people around ourselves. But the thing is that how we take each and every situation. And if we think positively, then definitely we can deal with each and every situation. And friends, we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.